Hi everyone, this is Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Not sure if you saw my most recent video, which was about the nigirikawa, or changing the bow grip on your yumi. At the end of that video, I talked about measuring the draw strength of a yumi, how we go about measuring the draw strength of a yumi. So in today's video, you can see the scale that we use and the method of checking the draw weight. So please watch the video and let me know what you think. This is the measuring device that we use to measure our draw weight for our yumi. And with the yumi, we measure in kilograms. This is the product that we use at the dojo that I belong to. So as you can see, it has a hook on the bottom where we put our bowstring on. We use a strung bow, obviously, and push down to our approximate drawer length, and that will give us the drawer weight in kilograms. This product, I will try to look for it on Amazon and put the product information in the description of this video. This is the area in the dojo where we weigh, where we check our drawer weights, and as you can see, the measuring device is dangling down, and at the side we have a wonderful tape measure that goes all the way down to measure 85 centimeters, 90 centimeters, and 95 centimeters, which are the standard draw lengths for different lengths of bow. And I usually measure at 90, and I'm going to attempt to hook my bowstring on, and then I push down to the part of the measuring tape that goes to 90 centimeters. And it took several attempts to get a consistent measurement. I'm just resetting the measuring device, and then we hook in the place where we nock our arrow, which is actually the middle of the bow, and then we push the nigiri, which is the middle, to stop the bow from kind of popping out sideways. And we push down, and I push down to the 90 centimeter mark, and then just wait a moment. And it's me looking up, probably trying to see if the scale has stopped moving. So I got a consistent 12 kilo measurement for this bow. This is my weaker bow, but just to demonstrate how I did it. As you can see, the yumi is very long, 221 centimeters long. This is a nami-sun yumi. We have to be quite careful about the way that we measure the bow. This area of the dojo has people coming in and out, and it can be, I just need to be mindful about when I am measuring my draw weight. As you can see here, we hook the string on to the hook part of the scale and push down. In this angle, you can see the string hooked on, and when you come up close, you can see the final reading of the bow draw weight at 90 centimeters. Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought of today's video down in the comments. As you saw in the video, usually we will check the draw weight of the yumi within the dojo. And really the way that they check the draw weight depends on the dojo and the scale that they have available. If you want to check the draw weight of your yumi, please ask senpai or sensei about how to do that at the dojo that you're at. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!